Yes, friends, write the difference between actin and myosin. Friends, this question from Unit 3A of second year zoology. Friends, what is that, friends? Write the difference between actin and myosin, friends. Actin and myosin. Friends, you know, actin and myosin are muscle proteins. They are present in the muscle, friends, you know it. If you see the structure of a skeletal muscle is made up of number of myocytes. These myocytes have what, friends? Some filaments. These filaments are made up of proteins. Those proteins are called as what, friends? Muscle proteins. The main muscle proteins are actin and myosin, friends. Friends, actin మరియు myosin అనేవి కండరంలో ఉండే proteins, friends. So these are muscle proteins. See, friends, these are muscle proteins and they help in muscle contraction. So because of that, these are also called as contractile proteins. Friends, first you write these two words. Actin and myosin are muscle proteins and these are what, friends? These are contractile proteins. See, friends, these are muscle proteins and these are contractile proteins. Why you are calling them as contractile proteins? They play an important role in muscle contraction. Friends, మనం వీటిని కాంట్రాక్టైల్ ప్రోటీన్స్ అని ఎందుకు అంటున్నాం? ఇవి మజిల్ కాంట్రాక్షన్లో ముఖ్యమైన పాత్ర వహిస్తాయి కాబట్టి వీటిని కాంట్రాక్టైల్ ప్రోటీన్స్ అంటాం, ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ రాయాల్సింది ఏంటి, ఫ్రెండ్స్? యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ అబౌట్ ది differences only. What is the difference between actin and myosin? Okay, friends, what is the difference between actin and myosin? See, friends, so first you see the actin, friends. Actin is present in thin filaments. You know, a muscle myocyte has thick and thin filaments, friends. The actin protein is present in thin filaments, whereas myosin protein is present in thick filaments. Once again, friends, actin is present in thin filaments, myosin is present in thick filaments. Actin filaments are connected to the Z line, friends. Actin filaments are connected to the Z line. You know, friends, what is Z line, friends? It is present between what, friends? It is the center line of the I band, friends. Okay, it is the center part of the I band. This Z line is also called as what, friends? Crosses membrane or Dobbe's line. Once again, friends, actin filaments are connected to the Z line. Okay, friend, Z line is also called as Crosses membrane or Dobbe's membrane, friends. Z line is also called as Crosses membrane or Dobbe's line. Once again, friends, actin filaments are connected to the Z line, whereas myosin filaments are connected to the M line. Friends, M line is present in the A band, Z line is present in the I band. Friends, the center of the I band is called as Z line, center of the A band is called as what, friends? M line. Next, thin filaments or actin filaments are present both in A band and I band. Friends, actin filaments or thin filaments are present both in A band, anisotropic band, and I band, that is isotropic band, whereas myosin proteins are present only in the A band. Once again, friends, actin protein or thin filaments are present both in A band and I band, whereas thick filaments are present only in the A band. Next, friends, this actin protein has two more proteins, friends. They are tropomyosin and troponin. Friends, tropomyosin and troponin. You know, friends, tropomyosin and troponin are also called as regulatory proteins. Friends, they are also called as regulatory proteins. So this actin protein has what, friends? Two more proteins. What are they? Tropomyosin and troponin. Whereas myosin has meromyosin. You know, friends, heavy meromyosin and light meromyosin. Next, see, friends, actin free at one end, whereas myosin free at both ends. Once again, friends, once we recap the difference, once again, friends, actin is present in thin filaments, myosin is present in thick filaments. Actin filaments are connected to the Z line, myosin filaments are connected to the M line. Actin filaments are thin filaments present both in A band and I band. Thick filaments or myosin filaments are present only in the A band. Actin consists tropomyosin and troponin, whereas myosin consists meromyosin. Actin is free at one end, myosin free at both ends. Now you see friends here, the proteins, here you see friends. So this is actin friends, this is myosin. So these are Z lines. Okay friends, this is about the difference between friends, difference between actin and myosin proteins. Okay friends, thank you, good day.